Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, I want to show you how you can trade with this strategy using your 15 minutes time frame. And also, this strategy works for jump, it works for volatility index, and it also works for boom and crash. But in this place, I am trading 15 minutes time frame with it. So I'm going to show you how you can pick some candlestick with this strategy. So guys, before we go, let me quickly show you the indicators in case if you did not watch my last video. So the indicators used from here is just two indicators. That is what we use. Let's go to our indicator settings so that I'll show you guys the indicators I used for this strategy. This strategy can equally, you can equally lose from this strategy, guys. You can equally lose. So you have to monitor your trade anytime you enter trade. Don't leave it and say this trade is going to go my way. No, you have to be watchful of it, okay? So that when it's going against you, you will not lose much. You will just take your stop loss and you leave the market. Instead of you losing all your money, you lose a little, you wait for another opportunity. So I'll show you the indicator now, guys. You click on the indicators button. So what we used here, we used a alligator, okay, and this alligator is at the default settings. The only thing that we changed here is the color. We changed the color, jewel style color. I use the background I'm using for that one, that is black. So what I need here now is teeth and leaves. That's the only thing I need for here. So guys, screenshot it and save it. So our window one indicator, we have relative strength index, we have period one, apply to close, style 1 pixel. Our level here now, we have level 80 and we have level 20. 2 pixel, any color of your choice. In this place, you have to use the color that you used in your background. Okay, my background is black, so I have to use black. You save it. So the next indicator that we are going to use here is MACD. Okay, we have fast EMA 12, slow EMA we have 26, MACD SMA we have 9. Apply to close. Then main 3 pixel, signal 2 pixel, any color of your choice. Guys, you click save. Okay, you save it. In this place now, we don't need levels for our MACD. Is in our relative strength index that will put our levels. So before you enter a trade, guys, are you seeing it? As usual, you have to wait for the crossover, and this crossover is going to happen between the 80 level of your MACD. Is going to happen between the 80 level, and your alligator is going to cross over also the red and green. When it crossed over, you wait for it to start coming down. Don't rush the market, just wait for it to start coming down. I took my trade when the MACD is below the zero level. That's when I took my trade, and I looked at it. The signal line, that is there is still not, is still above the MACD main line. Is still above it. It haven't come below it. So had it been it comes below it now, I can exit this market now. But see yet it's still not yet below it. It's still above those, what I am saying. Look at it here. This line here is still above here. Are you seeing it? So it's not yet below here. When it is below there, you can exit the market. But now, as you see now, the market is not. You can jump into this trade at any place you like. Even here now, you can still make a little profit from this place, because this thing has not crossed yet. It has not gone below. Okay, you wait for the MACD to cross, the signal line to cross, and your main line should be above. Okay, that is when you will exit the market. Okay, but you will enter your market. You're going to enter this market when your MACD is below the zero level. and your signal line there is still not below the main line. If it's below the main line, you exit. Don't enter the trade. Okay, don't enter the trade. As you can see, this small pullback here, you would have waited for it here, but no, it's not yet above. It's not. It's still touching the signal line. Okay, and when it's touching the signal line, it has to start coming down again. So you know that yes, this market is still going to go down. So you enter for a sell. Okay, you enter for a sell. This strategy is very simple, or just only for you to wait for the confirmations. If you wait for the confirmations, don't rush. Just wait for everything to notify that yes, it is time to sell. Then you jump in for sell. Okay, and you take candlestick that you like, you can leave the market. You can leave the market. The strategy is very simple. This is jump 10. Okay, this the same thing applies to when you want to buy. It applies when you want to buy. You make sure that your margin crossed above below the 20 level if you want to buy. This place didn't cross below, so you must wait for it to cross below, and you make sure you see your in this place. Now let's check. No, it didn't cross. In this place it's crossed. Yeah, it crossed below a little bit. It crossed below a little bit. It didn't cross where you have to wait for it to make sure that you confirm the crossing very well. Okay, yeah, guys, here it crossed. Okay, let me show you the example of what I'm saying. Here it crossed here. Okay, and it went up here, and when it went up here, your MACD is still not your signal line is still going up. It's not yet above your main line here. When you saw it like this, it is high time for you to exit the market. Don't stay long. It is high time to exit. That's why I say always watch your trade. Don't just enter and say yes, this is a good entry, you leave it. Maybe when you come back, your account will be empty. Okay, so you have to watch your trade. You see what happened here now? It crossed below, and when it come here, it still give you an entry somewhere here, and you entered somewhere here because it crossed here. Okay, and it started coming down again. Are you seeing it? So this is not a good entry for us. It is not a good entry for us. Even though you entered, you make sure you take your stop loss before you lose all your money. Okay? It is very simple. It is very simple. You can see this one, and this one crossed, and it still give us some candlestick before it comes above the main line here. Before it comes above the main line here. Are you seeing it? It still give us something from here to here. Guys, when you watch it like this. It still give us something from here to here. Are you seeing it? So guys, I think I have come to the end of this video, guys. In case if you think that this kind of video is what you like to see in this channel, and you know you have not subscribed to this channel, that's the only way you can support this channel. Please hit the subscribe button and also give this video a thumbs up. Turn on the notification bell so that anytime I upload a video, you'll be notified. Okay, I think this strategy will help you. Always practice it before you apply it to your account. Bye guys, see you on my next video.